Tastes good. Very pretty.
Oh,
Tastes good. Very pretty. Nice. Try the smoky taste of the what's that? Garlic. Very good. Let's try the sambal. Lots of onion and garlic. So yummy.
wow, looks so inviting. Can clearly see those fine and deep score marks on the fish flesh. Flavors would have easily seeped into the flesh via those deep cuts. Wow, this is really awesome. Let me try it. Wow. Onion or garlic. This fish and the sambal and the rice and with the garlic, toasted garlic and onion really looks so inviting. I'm going to dig into the fish now. Put the things aside, other things aside. I'm going to dig into the fish. Wow. 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 I really don't know what fish is this, but it's really tickling my taste buds. So nice. Try the gravy with the rice. Huh? Okay. The lime juice really hits your tongue. So nice, and there's a little bit of sweetness and some heat from the chili powder we added onto the fish marinade. But you people must really try out this recipe. Go and try out this recipe, okay? We'll highlight all the ingredients in the video. Try out the recipe, okay? 2 thumbs up for this fish, which I don't know what fish is this, okay? If you all know what fish is this, please comment. Come, let's go and see how we actually prepared this awesome tasting, exquisite fish platter. One tablespoon all-purpose flour,
1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. You can also use mustard seed oil or any other oil of your choice. 3 tablespoons mineral water. If mineral water is not available, you can also use tap water. Okay, as usual, time to make a mess. Let's mix in all those ingredients. And make sure the mixture gets rubbed on all the fishes, ensuring that the mixture gets into all those cuts and crevices of the fine deep scores which we made on every one and each of those fishes. Also into the cavities of the fish where the guts were earlier. Okay, let us cover and keep our fish aside so that it can marinate while we prepare the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon thick tomato puree, 1 teaspoon jaggery, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 inches of ginger skin removed and sliced thinly, 1 large yellow onion cut into thick rings. You can also use a large red onion if the yellow onions are not available. 1 nicely ripe large lime. About 30 cloves of garlic, skin removed, and some coriander leaves for garnishing. Here we are using Cambodia coriander. You can use any coriander species that is available to you. Once we have prepared all the other ingredients, we can start frying our marinated fish. Here we are shallow frying the fish with very little cooking oil. Sugu is using a splatter screen to avoid the kitchen floor from getting messy. Now that we have shallow fried finished all the fishes to the right crispiness, we shall start doing the gravy, or locally known as sambal. For the sauce or gravy, we shall use some of the leftover oil from frying the fish. Throw in the mustard seeds when the oil is hot and allow it to splatter. Going into the pan now is the ginger slices. Time to toast the 30 odd cloves of garlic. We used about 2 bulbs of medium sized garlic. Let us keep flipping the garlics so that all the sides of the garlic are toasted nicely. like so. Let us now throw in the onion rings which we have prepared earlier. Let's saute the onion rings with the other ingredients until it becomes wilted and turns translucent. Half cup of water into the leftover fish marinade. Mix well and we shall pour in the mixture into the pan where our ingredients are being sauteed. Mix in and give a good stir. Let's mix in the tomato puree. In goes the 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Use granulated sugar if jaggery is not available. Let's throw in about half teaspoon of salt. You can add or lessen the salt according to your taste. Give a proper mix. To ensure that the onion and the garlics are well coated by all our ingredients. The sauce has thickened to a very nice pouring consistency. Let's remove the pan from the stove. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's ladle the sauce over the fried fishes. Garnish with some chopped coriander. Cut the ripe lime which we have prepared earlier into half. We shall squeeze juice of half a lime over our fish platter. Looks so yummy. I am already salivating. Thank you very much for visiting our channel. We hope you like this video and give us a thumbs up.
Hey guys, if you all are new to our channel, please do the subscribe.
And please press the bell button for our next video.
Okay, see you again. Have fun until we meet again. Bye.
Take care. Bye.